I want to make this video for folks that have the defective Balboa Wi-Fi module from the factory. If you're searching and you found this video, you know who you are. These modules are defective from the factory. They're no longer in production, but Crystal Spas did not want to warranty it for me, unfortunately, and they want me to spend $300, which I refuse to do. This is a Divine spa made by Crystal for Costco. And so what happens is this will connect to your local network so you can control it remotely and then drop. No matter what you do, you can't log into it. The Balboa app will not see it. The only way to see it would be to power cycle the tub, and obviously you can't do that remotely. You could reset the module using the magnet to the side trick. The problem with that is then you won't be able to connect remotely. You'll have to connect to its local AP, which defeats the purpose of it being a remote control spa. You know, sometimes when I'm driving home or coming from the airport, it's in vacation mode, I want to turn the tub up, I can't. So the simple way to fix this, I just came up with the idea. I said, well, you know, if it's a power cycling the tub, means cutting power to this, that recycles it and it'll come back online. So what if I got a switch and I shut the power directly off for this, a remote switch? So I picked up this little unit here, this little Wi-Fi switch from Amazon. I fed a 12-volt power source that I used from an old Linksys router. Just ran that wire through there and then through there and connected to a 12-volt power source, which is over by the radio that's included in the tub, the subwoofer system. So that gave me my 12-volt input. I then found the 12, there's only 4 pins that supply the Wi-Fi module, okay? Only 4 pins. And those 4 pins, 2 of them are data, 1 of them's ground, and 1 of them's your positive 12 volts. I just simply cut into the 12 volts, fed it into the Wi-Fi. This I can control remotely, so now I can power cycle this, let it shut it down, turn it back on, and then I can connect in remotely and control the tub. So any questions, feel free to ask. I would not attempt to open this box up. You have to have the power off when you do it. Unless you're a licensed electrician, make sure the power is off when you open this up, because there's 240 volts right there, or 120 depending on your application, and with the amperage you will electrocute yourself, and you can see the size of those wires. All right, so any questions, leave them in the comments. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you can't figure this out just by the simple instructions, it's probably a little bit too far over your technical abilities. All right, thank you.